In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best small gas grill. So let's get started.
Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Char-Broil 4636733519. The Char-Broil Performance 300 has a lot going for it. It has 300 square inches of cooking space, a storage cabinet, and 2 burners. It has the capacity to cook about 16 burners on its cast iron grills. It has 2 metal side shelves for plenty of extra prep space, and the storage cabinet below the unit has 4 caster wheels that make this compact grill easy to move this grill around in small spaces. Number 6. Weber Spirit 2E210. The Weber Spirit 2E210 is the epitome of a small gas barbecue grill with a larger model's features. It comes with a whopping 450 square inches of cooking space, burns at a nice, hot 26,500 BTUs, has reversible porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates to switch between large or small grill grates widths, and includes the Weber GS4 grilling system. One of my favorite features is the folding side tables, which help them fit into a compact space when not in use. It even comes with a set of side hooks to hold your cooking utensils in a convenient, reachable place. All in all, this is just a fantastic little unit that can fit in a smaller space while providing you all the features you need in a gas grill. Number 5. Weber 500600001. The Weber Q1000 is an excellent small portable gas grill option perfect for small patios or balconies. It comes with a fairly powerful burner and includes push-button ignition for easy starts. It's built with cast aluminum and reinforced nylon, making it pretty durable and able to withstand a beating. This is good if it's going to be transported around to outdoor spaces like picnics and beaches. It runs off the small portable propane bottles, but you can connect it to a 20-gallon propane tank using an optional LP adapter hose. This is one of the best portable gas grills on the market. Weber is known for building products that can stand the test of time, and the Q1000 is another example of quality craftsmanship. Number 4. Weber 46110001. The Weber Spirit E210 is one of the best compact gas grills available on the market. It's practically purpose-built for small patios and apartment balconies. It features 26,000 BTUs of heating power, a lot for a small gas grill, porcelain enameled cast iron grates, fold-down tables for plenty of prep space, and a warming rack with hooks to hang your cooking utensils. This grill is lightweight and portable, built with aluminum and steel for extra durability in an outdoor setting. It's also easy to move around on its 2 caster wheels and 2 larger wheels. The E210 makes a great starter grill for the beginning barbecue enthusiast, or the person who often cooks for 1 to 2 people that's not ready to invest in a more expensive model. Even though it's inexpensive, it has the same durability that made Weber one of the grilling business's best brands. Number 3. Cuisinart CGG 180 CGG. The Cuisinart Petit Gourmet Grill is a cool little compact barbecue that folds up like a suitcase that you can take with you practically anywhere. It comes with extendable legs that allow you to easily set it up on its own or fold them in to set it up on a table or other surface. It's got a single burner that produces about 5,500 BTUs of heat across 160 square inches of cooking space, which is enough cooking room for about 4 to 6 people at a time. It has a twist-to-start ignition system that makes it really easy to turn on or off. It also has a built-in temperature gauge that makes it easy to control the cooking temperatures. At 17 pounds of weight, this compact gas grill is easily one of the most portable small gas grills on the market and should be considered for anyone who likes to camp, tailgate, or picnic. Number 2. Masterbuilt SH19030819. If the space you have to cook is minimal, the Masterbuilt Smoke Hollow Tabletop Propane Grill is an excellent choice. It packs a lot into its tiny design, like 205 square inches of cooking space, 10,000 BTUs of heat, foldable stainless steel legs, and a stainless steel drip tray. The coolest feature about this tabletop grill is its stainless steel design, which gives it a classic retro look. All in all, this is a great little tabletop gas grill that's a good value for the money. Number 1. Char-Broil Performance Stainless Steel. The Char-Broil Performance Stainless Steel 4-burner gas grill is one of the largest models reviewed, but at around $300 and free shipping at the time of publication. Subject to change, you're getting a lot of barbecue for the buck. It features 4 gas burners, putting out a whopping 32,000 BTUs of heat across a 425 square inch cooking surface. It has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are rust-resistant, help prevent food from sticking, and are easy to clean. It also includes a 10,000 BTU side burner, with a cover that folds down flush when not in use. The coolest thing about this grill is the aesthetics. It's stainless steel all over, and looks like a retro spaceship.